So guys, Ethereum just broke 4,000. Altcoins are ripping up very significantly. Bitcoin is on the verge of exploding really crazy, already breaking 100,000. And in today's video, I want to talk about exactly why most people are not going to make it. Why most people aren't going to make all the gains in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle. I made a video talking about it yesterday in terms of the coins you should be investing in if you want to make, you know, those hundreds and thousands, millions potentially, if you have the right amount invested. And it's pretty much just talking about the difference between stable coins and altcoins. And a lot of people believe that you should have, you know, a good amount of money allocated to a stable coin position, so that at the end of the day with your altcoins, you know, you're mitigating the risk that you have whenever those altcoins start to deviate low. But I do not agree with that, because at the end of the day, I've already made some crazy gains with my crypto portfolio by rotating out of different altcoins, not stable coins, altcoins. And I've been documenting it all on this YouTube channel, just showing you guys how the sentiment was shifting from gaming to memes to AI, now back to memes, and then back to AI again. And right now, you know, I've just been documenting my journey of, you know, rotating, trying to make the crazy gains. And I'm somebody that plans to make a whole bunch of money in this crypto bull run. In yesterday's episode where I was talking about how you need to be buying altcoins if you want to make those millions, not stable coins, I had a lot of different perspectives telling me how I was wrong and how you need to be having stable coins. But I've heard those same perspectives earlier in the year, guys. And, you know, if I would have took on that advice, I wouldn't have been able to make the crazy gains that you're seeing on this crypto channel. This is my portfolio right here, right now. Wipe it to the side. Overall, total invested, you know, I'm already, you know, up around 3 to 4x on my investments. And it's because I'm invested into altcoins. And, you know, it all depends on your risk assessment. I think whenever you're just getting started, you know, if you try to jump into altcoins, you are going to get wrecked. One, because you don't know how to create proper validation. You're jumping into random coins hoping to make a lot of money, and then at the end of the day you get dumped on because you don't know what to keep up with. You don't really believe in the companies you're investing in, and at the end of the day it just turns out really horrible. And that's why people gravitate towards stable coins, just because Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, even now XRP blowing up, you know, these coins are not gonna just die out of nowhere. At the end of the day, they have already created, you know, a lot of positive sentiment, and they are leading coins in the crypto markets, so people gravitate towards these coins. And, you know, I talked about it in yesterday's video. I hear a lot of retail investors, people at my job, and just people around me saying, oh man, XRP this, and, you know, Solana that, and Ethereum this, and Bitcoin that. And guys, yes, at the end of the day, if you invest into any of those stable coins, you are going to make money. I'm not saying you're not going to make money. I'm just saying if you were to invest $1,000 in Ethereum, or $1,000 invested spread across Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and XRP, and then someone like me that's invested in specific altcoins with proper validation, that have strong community, strong marketing, and actual technology that's going to be utilized in the Web3 space, I'm gonna outperform you like crazy. I've already seen, you know, 300 to 400% returns in a matter of weeks on a few of my coins. You are not gonna see that with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or XRP. Now, they have had some crazy runs, and they are gonna get some crazy gains, but at the end of the day, it is nothing compared to what altcoins do. And most people that create that generational wealth, guys, it's going to be invested into those lower market cap coins, which are altcoins. My whole YouTube channel has been documenting my journey around investing into these altcoins, the mistakes, the wins, and overall just my, you know, perspective on trying to rotate and make the most gains. And if you are trying to make, you know, those 10, 20, 50 X's, it has to be in altcoins, guys. It has to be in those altcoins. You're not going to do it with the stable coins. And, you know, anyone that disagrees, drop me a comment down below. Let me know your perspective, because I give you guys my perspective. I'm transparent with y'all on every single thing that I do. And any of the coins that I show on this YouTube channel, I am personally invested in. That's why a lot of people are saying, you know, you're invested in these coins. If one of them goes down, that's it. Your whole portfolio is garbage. It's trash. I have proper validation. I'm investing in actual companies that are building for the long term. And at the end of the day, it all varies on the type of investor you are. Are you someone that copy trades? Someone that just listens to something that someone says and then you jump towards it? I hope you're not. This is why I make these videos, to give you guys my perspective, my validation, and then from there you can create your own validation. Everyone's gonna have their own perspectives, but I know in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle, the people that make the most money are going to be altcoin investors, and it has to be the correct altcoins, guys. I know that a lot of people have different sentiment as to, you know, the type of portfolio that you should have, and, you know, having a split between stable coins and altcoins. But at the end of the day, I'm willing to take on more risk so that I can have a higher reward. And anyone that is not willing to take on that risk, they will not see this reward, but also they do not carry the risk that I carry. But at the end of the day, I'm someone that's like, bro, I'm going all in or I'm going home. That's the name of the game for me. And it has already worked out very significantly for me in multiple different ways, rotations and everything else that I've been doing. But now I'm just trying to give you guys the perspective of, because I know a lot of people are jumping into crypto, they want to make a lot of money, they want to make all these gains, but they don't understand the difference between the stable coins and altcoins. And then the people that do have an understanding, they just don't necessarily have enough information or validation to really gravitate towards these higher risk assets that are gonna outperform all the stable coins. But that's pretty much my perspective, guys. Don't want to make this video too long. I'm in my car on my lunch break. My burger's getting cold because I have to tell you guys why it's important to invest in altcoins as opposed to stable coins. But at the end of the day, that's my perspective on it. You can go either way and you'll be right either way, and you'll be wrong either way. If you go towards stable coins, you're gonna make some gains, but you're not gonna make crazy exponential. Max 5x, that's the max you're gonna get on those stable coins. Now, if you jump into altcoins, you also have a win-lose scenario, because now you're carrying all this risk, but as a result of carrying all this risk, you have the potential of getting a high reward, 10x, 20x, 50x potentials. But that's whenever you have to start doing proper research, keep up with people like me that are keeping you up to date with the day-to-day action of what's going on with Bitcoin, altcoin specific indicators that you need to focus on, as well as how to decipher a good project from a bad project. But that's currently my perspective, guys, on how most investors, crypto investors, altcoin investors are not going to make it in this crypto bull run. One, simply from, you know, allocating to the wrong positions, and then two, not having a proper understanding and validation as to when to enter a project and when to exit. So that's currently my perspective, guys. Hopefully you're invested in altcoins. Let me know what your investments are down in the description below. I'm mainly invested in AI. These are the coins that I'm invested in, mainly AI, meme, and gaming. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think you need to be investing in altcoins. Stable coins are great to have for side liquidity, which I do have, but I do not have a good portion of a portfolio in stable coins. It just makes no sense. I need to make a lot of gains first, and then from there, once the bear market starts to happen, we see pullbacks start to happen, then I'm going to start to allocate and create a stable coin portfolio. And I'm gonna document that whole process on this YouTube channel, guys, from buying to selling and everything else in between. But new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on specific indicators and charts around Bitcoin, altcoins, Ethereum, and everything else in between, so you guys know what's going on, as well as the sentiment going on in the crypto space, as well as how I plan to make all my gains and the perspectives that are going on. At the end of the day, everyone has different views on altcoins and stablecoins, but just let me know what you guys think. That's the end of the discussion. I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.